Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you.
Guys, morning. So today we'll be cooking some pork. I felt like the last time I showed you guys when we were cooking on Sunday, I was doing pork and here I'm again doing some pork. Anyways, it's really early in the morning. It's 7:47. So I'm gonna cut this up, clean it up, season it, and leave it for when it's time to start cooking. Won't start cooking this probably till maybe 2 o'clock or so, 1 o'clock or so, 1:30, them time there, because I want to go to church first. So yeah.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
But guys, when I call all the pork bone to the chopper, how are this? A decoration? What is this? I'm not gonna lie, the bone them tough though. But watch out, bend up the whole entire thing. No, sir.
May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you. Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly
something from the chimney. I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you. Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright.
Alright guys, the pork that you saw me seasoning this morning, the meat is so soft and tender, so I just add the scallion, the sweet pepper or bell pepper, whatever you want to call it, onion, my carrot, and all of the knickknacks in it to just finish up, and then I'll add my finishing touch to it after. And then over this side, put on a piece of boil. So yep, you know that go. Okay guys, honestly today I had like, it's one of them day there would I want to roll up in my wall and roll down the hill, and like today I don't really hit breaking points. Like me personally, I do get mad, we get upset, we just cuss to myself, cuss, talk, whatever, talk to me, whatever, vent. But today that's one of them day that when I realize, say, like, this is a whole different setting, a whole different place, just a whole different whatever, and you just like you just see what things doesn't make sense. Mentally today I am not okay. I am not okay. Right now I'm not okay like this damn car. This car needs gas. From this one the gas like come on. Why me gas like come on? I do not like to buy gas where me live, because the gas too dear. I buy it for my work, cause the countryside where the city outside give a lower price gas. So if I don't normally get my gas on a Friday, I get it on a Monday, and apparently every Monday my chance with 2 bar to come on a journey from my work, hoping that my car don't run out again. Hoping that my car don't run out again. Oh my god, this is the first me laugh. This is the first I've laughed, like literally laughed all day. But not lie to you, first I've literally laughed all day. first, I literally laugh all day. Hoping that my car don't out. I guess today is the first the gaslight ever come on, and me did such a good jump for work. But me asked baby and I said, babe, because my car is the car that took us to church. I asked babe and said, babe, how long the gaslight come on? You think it a long time with the part 2 bar? He said, no man, it good. It good. I said, you sure? He said, yeah man, it good. It good. So I say, okay, gaslight come on. Even more than like half, but we need that good jump more. Anyways, let me put my gas and then me come in contact, you know? Put my gas, then come in contact. My God. Really? Where's my phone? My phone is made up on me. I look for pay, Apple Pay, and then for RP use my card. Today was one of them days which me have one pump at in them. You know that my car, now I'm not guessing that if it's $32 it takes for full the tank. $32 it takes for full the tank. God, they know it's not guessing it in there. Boy, God, beg a guidance, protection. As I head home, I did pray already. But I just to make stop and I come back in here, I just ask God for guidance. Because you know. And you know, so I actually just at least it's some gospel music and just go and meds like, because I know like mega chilling, I'm not gonna share because there's like, you know. But today, literally today is the first I've really want to step back in the life of Jamaica, do something and come back. Today, honestly, today was one of those days I wish I could just step back to Jamaica, do what me I do, and just step back. Like, sometimes in life, like certain situation, you have some people who are supposed to be effective helpers. They are supposed to be playing the role of being the effective personnel that, you know, try to help, try to solve problems, try to this, try to that. Instead, they turn out to be the ones that they're not effective none at all. You know, that's a whole on title. Literally holding on title, and at this point I'm literally questioning so many things. But mentally today I just want to go home, like just want to go home, just relax, meds, watch me show, make me happy, because funny, you know what? It doesn't matter, as me would always say, to one thing, when it comes on to like telling people how to a two different world culture that. I don't know. You see? Somebody comment and say, why me seem so confused every time I talk? Because why me tell you sometimes I talk at 1,000 things in my head. Like today I'm more than I told a billion things that I take as me tell somebody just want to go home. Just ask the guidance and protection to go home. Mentally, me just I did it right now. And today was one of them days too. As me said, which be at Jamaica. More than one thing, me reflect. But today me did one of them days like me did at Jamaica. But I just stand on my yard for the week. Cultural exchange differences. Oh my God. Anytime I reach rock bottom when my brain when me there yard, I just stand on my yard for the sick leave because I'm mentally not well. Mentally I'm not well. Let me tell you something about sickness. Sickness that means say you feel pain. I may talk to the teacher them over there, who are especially from Jamaica. Sickness, let me tell you all these things. You know mean say you feel pain, you know mean say your foot gone, your hand gone, you're in a surgery. You can be mentally sick. Mentally sick. There's something called mental sickness. You can be mentally sick. It means say you're mad. It just means your brain just need a break. If I was in Jamaica, I would not be. I will be on 1 week sick leave after today. That's just me. Those are the ways I take a breathe, a deep breath in, a deep breath out, and say, Tash, you know what? Sick leave. When I go back, let's have a break. Let's need space. Right now, me can't be stressing myself. Me can't be so many things I cannot be doing right now, and it's just like right now. Why is it that I'm seeing police light, ambulance light, fire truck light ahead of me, and Tash just want to go home? Wanna look here. There's an accident on the road. One vehicle turned over upon its side. You see? One vehicle turned over upon its side. Dragging my patients extra today. Extra. I would not want. You see, this is something. Sometime in life, like me really look at me and say, I would want to have children and people find fault on my picnic, especially teachers find fault on my picnic. I mean, I gotta say, me I gotta have a child, and my child I go perfect, because you see me not perfect. Me far from perfect. Me not perfect. Me far perfect. But you see, the older me get, and the more you realize that me no want nobody if you have no problem with me picnic. No problem with me. So you say, come on to Me not gonna say me gonna grow my child either. I'm putting afraid of me. But you say me come on to structure. Structure, I will make sure as best as possible to make me pitney, especially when you're in this when you are in a profession where you deal with a lot of you see like me, no one nobody out there me say me pitney day to day to go learn. Nobody I feel really, you know, say that on bad bomb pitney. As we say, now perfect, but me I'll try my best. And that's enough for we not do. We just get up, have pitney, and we not try to instill structure. Which you can instill structure and the pitney still don't turn out, but me I go try my best. God, if me have a child and my child falter, and I'm a fault because me no want. That's why yesterday come out to having Tom, Dick, Harry. Some of we have 4, 5, 6 pitney, and we can't control the 4, 5, 6 pitney. No. I don't know. Young for this. Too young for stress, depressed. I'm too young for this. Life make up with stress and but I'm too young for this. By the time I reach 35, me I have grey hair. I'm 35, I'm not far from 35. How far am I from 35? 8 years from now. I have grey hair. Probably me have grey hair by 30. Oh man. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Guys, just want to pick up on yourself, take care of yourself. I keep praying and asking God for something that I feel like I lack, but it's not even lack. I feel like my lack it is just not lack, my lucky is just we don't know when we're gonna find it in the situation. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna listen to gospel, talk to God. I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then I'm not gonna pretend. It's not a pretending vlog. Just brain cells. That's why